Hello my loves, I hope you're all really well and welcome to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and pop on the notification bell so you can keep updated with all of the exciting videos Look Fantastic has to come. Today we are having a little early Valentine's Day and I thought it would be cute to get ready together, and then tonight we're actually having like a cozy at home date night. So I'm going to take you guys along with me for that and hopefully give you some Valentine's Day cozy at home date night ideas. But before we get into this video, don't forget to get yourself a drink. I have got the world's like bougiest drink this morning. I got treated to a Starbucks in bed, which was amazing. Get yourself a nice drink, get some snacks, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Okay my loves, first things first, I need to get myself ready. I've got a bunch of new products from Look Fantastic which I'm so excited to use. Some are old faithfuls which I have loved for years, but I've got quite a lot of new products which I'm really looking forward to trying. The makeup look I'm going to do today, I just want to be like super glowy, natural, even though my natural makeup is never really very natural. I want that natural glowy, fresh, red lip, little pop of Valentine's Day, and yeah, that's what I'm going to create today, if that made any sense. So the first product I'm going to be using today is the Elemis Superfood Face Mist. I love this. It's really nice to just awaken the skin. It's a great base for makeup, or it's also great if you want to have a no makeup day but you want that super glowy complexion. It smells like a spa as well, which I miss you spa day. Okay, the next product which I'm super excited to use is the Max Factor Miracle Glow Liquid Highlight. I'm going to pop this on first, just here on my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead and my nose, basically just all over my face. That is so nice. I love that. I feel like this would be so nice on just a no makeup day when you want like a really glowy, almost like post spa facial kind of skin. You can tell I've got a spa on the brain today. It's the smell of this makes me feel like I'm in a spa every single time, but I've only popped on the tiniest amount and I feel like that has just made my skin like glass. I could very happily leave my skin like this and just feel a little bit more zhuzhed. Okay, a product that I have been looking forward to trying, and I've wanted to try this product in the longest time, is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser. This looks beautiful. They also had so many different shades, and I got this one in shade 3W1 Bisque. I'm hoping it's right. I'm not the best at choosing foundations online, we know this. And then to apply my tinted moisturiser, I'm going to be using these brushes which look beautiful. And they're like these really big blending brushes. Crack these open. Oh, these feel amazing. Is there anything better than new brushes? I'm going to use this big one to apply the tinted moisturiser. It's so soft. It feels like it's just going to blend everything so nicely. Okay, firstly, pretty impressed with the colour match. It was literally the most perfect colour match. And secondly, I am in love with this tinted moisturiser and this brush, especially together. It's so effortless, like when you place this on the skin, it almost just like glides on. I have officially found my new favourite foundation brush. And also this tinted moisturiser is just so beautiful. You could definitely build this up if you did want a little bit more coverage, but I think for like a little just, I know this sounds gross, but it almost feels like I've got like a second layer of skin because it still looks like skin, but it just, oh, I love it. These two products are officially going into my holy grail makeup products. I love these so much. I think this would be incredible for the summer when you don't want heavy foundation and you just want a little something. This would be amazing. Okay, next up I'm going to be using some of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is one of my all-time favourites. I use the shade Almond and it's perfect. It's not too light. Most blendable concealer ever, and it doesn't crease. I'm just going to pop a little bit of this, like the tiniest little bit just here, just to brighten my under eye, and I'm going to use this little mini brush which I'm excited to use because this one is amazing. Okay, Okay, next I'm going to use just a very, very small amount of the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This will forever be one of my favourite powders. I'm just going to pop a tiny bit on my under eye, just because I do like right under my eyes to be quite matte, and then a little bit just round my mouth, like here, here and here. I find if I don't put powder on these areas, I can end up just looking a little bit sweaty, which is not the look I'm going for on Valentine's Day. Okay, next, a product that I'm very, very excited to use today, and it's this little cheek and lip stain from Benefit, and it says it's mango tinted, which I liked the sound of. I thought this would be perfect for just like a really natural pop of colour in my cheeks. I do love a bit of blusher. I think blusher makes such a difference. I think it instantly just makes you look healthier, and it like almost like lifts your cheeks. I love it. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of this here. Oh, that colour's lovely. And then I'm just going to blend this with my fingers, kind of going up my cheeks. Found another holy grail. I love this. So this is just the tiniest little bit of amount. As you can see, it's just added such a lovely warm colour to my cheeks, but I am going to add just a little bit more, just a little bit lower, because I feel like I went quite high with that. This blends so nicely and it just feels super lightweight as well. I'm also going to pop a little bit of this just in the middle of my nose, because it makes you look like you've been out in the sun. The non-existent sun that we have right now. I actually have snow out my window as I look out there, but you know when you go on holiday and you catch a little bit of sun on your nose and on your cheeks, I feel like it kind of just gives you that vibe. Okay, I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and I'm going to use two products for my eyebrows. So the first one I'm going to use is the Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. I have used this before and it's so good. If you want to create like really natural little hairs, this is amazing because it just is so slim. And then on the other side you've got a brush as well. Then I'm going to use a product which I have loved for absolute years, which is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And this is perfect just to give your brows that kind of like brushed, fluffy kind of look, which is perfect for a natural makeup. Do you know what? If you can make your eyebrows look identical, you're a wizard. Like, mine are never the same. I got the shade Deep Brown, by the way. I don't think I mentioned what shade I got. You could totally leave them like this, but I'm going to pop some of the brow setter on just to kind of like spike them up a little bit, make them look a little bit fuller and fluffier. Please tell me you actually just saw that. I just got coffee in my eye. How did that happen? I hope you guys actually got to see that, because I didn't and I have no idea what happened. It's almost like it jumped out of the lid. Okay, now my eye's recovered from getting coffee in it, which is something I never quite thought I was going to say. I'm going to pop some mascara on. This is one of my favourite mascaras. It's already in my makeup bag, and it's the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume, and it's so, so good. The mascara wand is nice and beefy, which I like because I find it just makes your eyelashes super long. So I'm going to pop some of this on my top, and do I want bottom lashes today? I sometimes look a bit like an alien when I don't put any on my bottom lashes. We'll do top, see what it looks like. If I look like an alien, we shall do bottom as well. Trying so hard not to open my mouth. Usually off camera when I apply mascara, I'm like, but I'm trying to keep it together. Keep it together for you guys. Okay, I'm going to keep the mascara just to my top lashes, and I'm going to pop on just some eyelashes to the very ends of my eyes. I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispy Lashes, but instead of popping on like a full lash, I actually just snip the ends off. So I've got like this much lash, and I find by doing this, it's just a lot less heavy. So much easier to apply as well when you've only got to apply it to the like corner of your eye. I feel like it kind of gives you a individual eyelash vibe, which I love. I've reached the part that I have been so excited about. I feel like this makeup is all about the lip. If you wanted to be supernatural, you could wear nude, or you could wear a gloss, or maybe just a balm. But because it's Valentine's Day, we've got to go for like a really beautiful Valentine's Day kind of colour. So I picked up these. How amazing is the packaging. I'm in love. I got a lip liner and also a velvet matte lipstick from Lime Crime, one of my favourite brands for lip products. I love their lip glosses, the cherry ones. Oh my god, they're amazing. There's a shade called Unripe Cherry and it's like the most perfect gloss ever. I just can't get over how gorgeous the packaging is. So pretty. And the lip liner colour I got is this beautiful red. They actually had a really big selection of like reds and pinks. I wanted them all. This one is in shade Firebird. So the matte lipstick that I picked up is in shade Red Rose, which I felt was very appropriate for the occasion. And again, packaging is so beautiful. This would make such a lovely gift. But look at this colour. Like a deep purpley red. I love it so much. This lipstick, I love it so much. It reminds me of velvet, you know, like a really deep red velvet. And then to finish my makeup, last but definitely not least, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Shake and Glow Mist, just to kind of add a little bit more glow, set everything in place. Wow. Look how glowy that's made my skin. So that's me all ready for our date night. I'm now going to head downstairs and get everything prepped, get everything super cozy for our early Valentine's Day date night. This is where we will be enjoying our early little Valentine's date night at home. Even Teddy's come to join us as well. Hello. Teddy's covered in stars. I've got our new star projector on. As you can see, this is actually so relaxing when you're like laying in bed looking at the ceiling. But I thought it would be nice to eat our cheese board, which I have down here. Watch The Notebook, an absolute classic. If you haven't seen this film, would highly recommend, especially on Valentine's Day. All of the candles are lit, feeling nice and cozy. I've made a cozy little nook over here where we shall be enjoying our film after we've enjoyed our cheese board, which I'm very excited to eat. I just need to go and pop the crackers on the plate. Yeah, this is what our at-home early little Valentine's Day date night looks like. So my loves, that is going to go ahead and end today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to pop the bell on so you are notified of all of Look Fantastic's new videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!